Hey guys, this is Ruse Solutions, and today we're going to be looking at a very simple iOS accessibility tool for the visual accessibility tools, and this one is button shapes, and it's really straightforward. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll go here into Settings, scroll down to General, go down to Accessibility. And then as you can see, this toggle button right here, button shapes, it doesn't make a huge difference, but you can see that up in the top left, as I toggle this, general is now underlined. And so it just outlines, underlines the different buttons in your menus here. And so this has been a Ruse Solutions video. Thanks for watching.